Do you think deleting an app actually removes everything from your phone? It doesn't. Most people simply press uninstall, watch the app disappear and think the job is done. But in many cases, app data and leftover files can still stay on your phone, taking up storage space for no reason. Welcome back to Smart Things. Today I'll show you the right way to remove an app so you can clear its data before uninstalling it and keep your Android as clean as possible. Let's get started. If you open your phone's file manager and look through your internal storage, you will probably find dozens of folders created by apps you have installed. Every app creates files to save settings, cache data and speed things up. The problem is that uninstalling an app doesn't always remove everything it created. That's why it's a good idea to delete the app's data before uninstalling it. Now let me show you exactly what to do. Open Settings, go to Apps and find the app you want to remove. Tap on it to open App Info. Next, tap Storage or Storage and Cache. This is the step almost everyone skips. Now, tap Clear Data or Clear Storage. A warning will appear telling you that all of the app's data, settings, accounts and files will be permanently deleted. Perfect. That's exactly what we want. Tap Delete or OK. Now, every bit of that app's local data is gone. Go back and tap Uninstall. By clearing the app's data first and uninstalling it second, you are giving your phone a much cleaner uninstall. It only takes a few extra seconds, but it's a habit worth keeping. From now on, use this method every time you remove an app. If you find this tip helpful, hit the like button so more people can see it. Subscribe to Smart Things for more simple Android tips. And I will see you in the next video. Before you go, leave a comment and tell me, did you know about this trick? Or is this the first time you have seen it?